Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to cook my favorite food in Turkey. It's called çiğ köfte. So here are the ingredients of this food. Bulgur, potato flakes, çiğ köfte mix consists of tomato paste, pepper paste, salt, allspice, cumin, pepper flakes, acidity regulator, preservative, and there is another çiğ köfte mix as well with hot pepper flakes, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, other acidity regulator. It consists as well of pomegranate sauce that consists glucose syrup, pomegranate juice, water, other acidity regulator, caramel, and pomegranate aroma. There are other necessary ingredients to add, and that's 100 gram of green onion, 1 bunch of parsley, 1 cup of olive oil, 1 romaine lettuce. And now I will show you how to prepare it. So here's what we have inside of this. We have this, a glove, we have a sauce, we have spices, this is pomegranate sauce, and this is bulgur with potato flakes. So here's what I bought to prepare the food. I bought spinach instead of the salad because I don't know them. I can distinguish between them. I bought as well parsley, very fresh, and the green onion. So I'm taking this çiğ köfte. I am putting it on a pan, all of it. I should use 2 cups of water, warm water. So I'm gonna warm this water. So we're gonna use the electric kettle to warm the water a little bit and put all the water here. I will try to not put it right away, all of it. At least mix a little bit. So we will have this texture. I'm adding slowly, step by step. I will add more. I still feel that it's a little bit dry, that's why I will add all the water. So I'm gonna wear the plastic glove, and to make it like a dough, I will make it like this. I will mix it with my hand. Now it seems to be good, well done, like a dough. So we will see what's next. So we're gonna leave it to rest about 10 minutes.
A few moments later.
Now we will add this çiğ köfte mix. It seems that it's just a lot of spices. We will add as well chopped green onions. I like to make them very, very small pieces, like this. We add that to our mixture. As well, we should add this pomegranate sauce. Put on the glove again and knead all these. And knead all these for 5 minutes. So even Bagdan decided to help us. He likes to do that. He likes to do that, and he enjoy doing that. He's for him it's like playing a game. So we'll add some olive oil. They said 1 cup, but we will save it and we will use just a little bit because I mean it's too much and it's expensive. I'm adding the oil here, a lot of oil, and I will keep kneading it. The first time I wasn't kneading it that well because I felt that I need more of dough. But now I want to mix it very well because I want the olive oil to be everywhere. I will add that olive oil to Bagdan a little bit as well. Всё, надо сейчас перемешать. I said that he has to mix it.
Я знаю, получится чикёфта бысыс.
So it's ready to eat. Let me try. It's tasty. Very tasty. Very similar to what we buy in shops. I mean, it's really my favorite food. That's it. I hope you enjoyed to learn how to make the Turkish food. It's really tasty, easy to make. You don't have even to boil it or to fry it or something. You can just eat it right away or put it in a bread. And in fact, you can eat it with any other food. That is it about this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to push that bell to not miss the notifications, and see you in my next videos.